count 'em.
Everyone, my name is Tanva Dubey. I read in class LKG. Today we are going to make bel puri. Thank you. Here are the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. We will discuss table manner. Always use gloves. You hanky. Hanky on your lap. Don't put your hand on the table. Always use your spoon.
Yes.
Okay, get ready.
What is this?
This is light.
What is this?
This is light.
Very good. What is this?
This is chili.
Very good. What is this?
This is coriander.
Very good. What is this?
This is lemon.
Prisha, what is this?
This is onion.
Very good. What is this?
This is tomato.
What is this?
This is salt.
What is this?
This is namkeen.
What is this?
This is chili.
Very good. What is this?
This is the coriander.
Good. What is this?
Tomato sauce.
And what is this?
Tomato sauce.
What is this?
Chili sauce.
Very good. Bow.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. My love, he makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. Pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me back.